All right, guys, this is a super important video, so listen up. So if you look on the internet right now, on X, Instagram, whatever, you'll see a lot of FUD over crypto, a lot of negative stuff. Everyone's calling for the peak of the bull run, Bitcoin's going down, altcoins are going to zero, right? Everyone's saying it's done, the bull market. But what these people fail to realize and failed to look at is a chart called Bitcoin Dominance right here, BTC.D. That's the name of the ticker on TradingView. And if you look historically, right before the bull run commences, we usually have a local peak on the Bitcoin Dominance, which basically means that Bitcoin takes up the majority of the market. If we look right here in July 2017, Bitcoin took up literally 78% of the market. That's a lot. And if you look what happened the following 26 weeks after July 10th, 2017, we basically went straight down, right? And this was the bull market. Let me see if I can get a brush tool. Right here, this was the bull market, and this is when everybody got rich and made tons of money on their altcoins, right? And then once we hit the bottom, which was in, let me exit out of that, which was in January, that's when the bull market peaked. And Bitcoin started to gain dominance again because basically Bitcoin fell less fast than the altcoins. So that's why it gained dominance. And it continued to climb for many, many, many months, right? And we continued to climb until we hit right here another local peak or cycle peak in December 2020. And for any of you guys that were around for crypto 5 years ago, you remember what happened in December 2020. That's when the bull market started again, and it lasted about 19 weeks. Yeah, you can make the argument that it lasted till like November, because that's technically when Bitcoin peaked and a bunch of altcoins, but majority of altcoins and the bulk of the move of everything happened from December to May, which was 19 weeks. So here, I'll circle it right here again. So we had the bull run in 2017, which lasted roughly from July to January, 26 weeks. The bull run of 2021 just lasted from December to May, 19 weeks. And if we come to this bull cycle, look what happened. We bottomed out right here. This is when Bitcoin kind of stopped falling, somewhere between September and November. And, And we climbed up all the way until June of 2025. And this is when a lot of people were negative about altcoins because, it's fair. A lot of altcoins were literally at their bear market lows because Bitcoin has been so strong. And a lot of people have been saying that this is a Bitcoin only cycle, but it's just stupid to say that. So I truly believe this was the peak of Bitcoin dominance for this cycle. And I think we're going to do the exact same thing. We're going to shoot down like crazy. The same thing we did in 2017, same thing in 2021. And look at this. Look how similar this is, this down move. We're just getting started. And we're about, I don't know how many weeks that is. Roughly 11 weeks in. So we could be easily over halfway done. But usually the last 6, 7, 8 weeks is the most bullish for altcoins. So this will drop the hardest. So I think literally by November, December, January of this year, we're going to see the peak of the bull run, and we're going to see altcoins absolutely explode because when Bitcoin dominance goes down, that means altcoins are getting lots of value over Bitcoin. So I hope this makes sense. I truly believe we're going to come down here sub 45%. I could even see us coming down even lower, honestly, because this bull run is going to be nuts. No one's expecting it, but I definitely am. It's going to be crazy with all this adoption from the government and just a lot of people have been watching, a lot of guys that know what they're talking about. I think it's going to be crazy, but yeah, that's what I had for you guys. Just hold on, hold tight. I think we got another, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, whatever amount of weeks left in this bull run. I think we're going to top somewhere in December, January. So yeah, get ready.